Okay, people, we're on the clear. Got Brother Lee over there. We're about to knock this sucker down, give it a nice good push. That's in theory. That is in theory. So put your monies up. Brother Lee, in theory, you think it's gonna work?
Seems like it.
Lee said seems like it. Respect and understood, Brother Lee. All right. I'll tell you when we're ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And away we go. All right, man. I'm moving the thing out the way. Clearance over here. All right, I'm moving it. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, push it. By yourself, see what happens. You might not even need my help. Okay, you need help. I don't think you need my help, man. Yeah, here she comes. Wepa! See now, Brother Lee over there think he the Hulk. You feel me? His ass is to get home. I think he the Hulk. I didn't even have to assist. That's what's up, fam.
What the hell, man?
What the hell, man? I feel you. All right, hold up. Now we done for the day, man. That's all we got to do, man. We out. Let me. Then you got Brendan like, hell nah. All right, we done. Appreciate it. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Fonz out.